popular among the Malaysian, not the tourists. The tourists love this one compared to this one.
I might stay with fishball.
Fishball.
Yeah.
So it's better you order this one and you order this one.
Yes. Yeah,
So-
we can try.
So you can try.
Yeah.
You can switch, right?
Yeah.
Don't worry, I give you an empty bowl. So
Oh, cool. Thank you.
Liz.
Say it. I missed the first one for sure. Yes. good.